How I keep my living space clean and organized with kids is by having these large 2 cabinets right here. So the benefit of this is that I can have my living room guest ready, clean and organized, and kids have access to all their stuff in these 2 cabinets. Now this space is actually supposed to be for a media center, but we have always been against having a TV in the house. So we've done that for over a decade now with children, and I think we're going to change that fairly soon. But until now, while the kids were growing up, this was important to us to not have a TV in the living area. So these 2 cabinets are for the kids, and it's for their toys, their sports stuff, whatever it is that they want to have handy. They can put in these cabinets. There's no rules. They don't have to keep it clean or organized. I mean, I would like them to, but that's part of the deal. It is their space, and they can do with it what they want, however they want. If they want to keep, a paper in and out placemat, that's fine. I'm not going to say anything. So that is my secret to keeping this space always clean and organized, and within a moment we can, when the kids are here and they're playing or doing activities, they can grab it and quickly put it back, and the room is all ready and clean. The other benefit of having this, not only does it keep the space clean, but also it keeps the kids in the family space, which was really important to me. So just behind this living space is the kitchen, where I come home from work and I cook dinner or get their snacks, and I really want to have the kids in this area. So rather than having them in their bedrooms playing with their toys, they're always here in the afternoons while I'm busy in the kitchen, and that's was really important to me. So that's kind of the idea behind having these cabinets, to have all their stuff in and have the room nice and tidy. Thanks, bye.